Hello everybody, Lord Almighty here. Today is Sunday, February 23rd, 2020, and the mild winter continues. We got temps in the 50s today, so I decided to come out here to a pretty popular spot on the Delaware River. I'm sure one look and most of you who are familiar with this river know exactly where I am. And I'm just gonna cast around and I'm gonna see what I can get. Maybe get a smallie, maybe get a walleye if I'm lucky. I'm really not picky about what I catch today. Even if I gotta go over to the canal and fish for panfish, if I get something, I'll be happy today. Lots of people out enjoying the warm weather today. See a lot more dog leashes than fishing poles though. Suits me just fine. More fish for me. This flat right above the dam here is pretty shallow, but I'm thinking with the sun warming up the water, we might get some fish that come up shallow today. I don't know about walleye because of the bright sun, but maybe some bass, maybe some panfish, something. This is a nice sheltered spot out of the current. Who knows? Well, I haven't gotten any action in the main river, so decided to take a few casts in the canal. Not seeing much going on here either. Oh no, shaping up to be a tough day. But middle of February, that's not too hard to believe. I'm seeing some fish milling around in this backwater area here. Not sure what they are. They might be gizzard shad. They've got that kind of a body shape. Huh, interesting. Okay, yeah, these are definitely gizzard shad. I thought that they might have been trout, but I just saw that they got those forked tails, so they're definitely not trout. So, yeah, I think these are gizzard shad, which means I probably don't have much of a chance of getting them on hook and line. Boy, there's a lot of them in there. I only thought there were like half a dozen. There's probably a good 30 or 40 of them in there at least. Well, at least I saw fish today.
What you going for, trout?
Anything.
Anything, I hear you.
I'm not picky on a day like today.
That's right.
Man, this is the kind of spot I would expect there to be fish. Deep, slow pool, but nothing. Nothing at all. This is the kind of spot where I wouldn't mind soaking some bait. Maybe see if I can get one of those gizzard shad, cut them up and just sit on the bottom. Might get a couple of catfish. Well guys, I think that is going to be the end of my day. Just not feeling it today. So, wound up with my first skunk of the year. Frankly, I'm amazed that it took this long to get one, but better during a tough time of the year than when the bite is in full swing. So, at least it was a gorgeous day. I was able to get out, and this video has been recorded on my brand new GoPro Hero 8. So I'm anxious to get home and take a look at the footage, and you know, even though I didn't catch any fish today, I am just going to post this video anyway, just because of the new camera. So I'm really anxious to hear what you guys think about it. Does it look better? Do you prefer the old camera? I don't know. This is my first time even recording any videos with it, so I really have no idea. I'm not going to know much until I get everything home and get it on the computer and take a look at it, and then post it up to YouTube. So anyway, that's going to do it for me. Tough day, but better than sitting around the house doing nothing. So thank you all so much for joining me, and I will see you on the next adventure.